Hi guys, tonight we're gonna be making Zuppa Toscana. I hope I said it right. Yes, that's the soup from Olive Garden. Is like my favorite. But this time we're gonna use our red chili in it. It calls for red pepper flakes, but I thought, hey, let's give it a little twist and use some of our salsas. So we're gonna be using this today. And I am so excited because I love this soup. So I'm gonna make a huge pot just so I can eat it a whole week. So let's get started. Okay, so we're gonna put a little bit of olive oil in our already hot pan. Too hot maybe. And we're gonna put some Italian sausage. And you can use any kind of Italian sausage you want. I got this one and then I got another one from the store, you know, just their own brand. So I'm gonna mix them all, both. I'm gonna make quite a bit of it. So I'm gonna use, oops, I didn't know that it came with this. Make sure to take it out for sure. There you go. Now we're gonna brown our sausage. Really nice. This is actually the first time I cook Italian sausage. I have never done this before. So I'm super excited to try something new. And we're gonna cook this until it's all nice and brown. Okay, so it's all nice and brown. And if it's not cooked all the way, it's okay because we're still gonna put it in the, it's not a crock pot, but something like that. And it's gonna finish cooking there. So we have our sausage all nice and ready. Now we're gonna put it on this bowl because then we're gonna cook the bacon in the same skillet. Okay, so we have our sausage, our Italian sausage here, all nicely cooked. Now we have some bacon right here. And we're gonna let it cook for a little bit until it's all done. And then we're gonna cut it into pieces. So this is just one package of bacon. Right here I have like 2 pounds to 2.5 pounds of the Italian sausage. And we're gonna wait for the bacon to crisp up a little. Okay, so we have the bacon here, nice and crispy together with our sausage. So what I said earlier, right? We're gonna cook the potatoes. It doesn't call for this, but I want to do it. So we're gonna put all our potatoes there. I'm gonna fry them for just a little bit until they soak up all the bacon flavor. So I am super excited. Let's see what happens, right? Okay, so the potatoes are looking like amazing right here with the bacon. And if we were to put our queso chipotle on top of it, oh my gosh, that would be like amazing. But that will be for another day. So I'm gonna take the potatoes out and then we're gonna cut the onions and we're gonna saute them here too with the garlic. So we already have the bacon and the sausage here. I crumbled the bacon with my bare hands. And now we're gonna put the potatoes in here. Everything is gonna cook together, so it's okay for everything to be all nice together. And then we're gonna cut the onions, okay? Yummy. Okay, so now we're cutting the onions right here. And we're gonna saute it in the same pan. You know what? I like this recipe. We've been using the same pan for everything. No dirty dishes. Oh, okay, I don't have my nice knives here. But anyway, I wanna share something with you guys. And we're gonna be using right here our chopper. This is how Salsa Queen started. We had like 4 of these. And all of my kids and I will get together in the kitchen and chop tomatoes and onions and bell peppers and cilantro and everything away with this one. I love it. So easy. Look at that. There was a lot of snapping back in the days. Not anymore, thank God. Here we are. But, oh, this is an amazing tool to make fresh pico de gallo. You chop everything here, put some lime juice, cilantro, and you have an amazing fresh pico de gallo, especially if you have a garden at home. I know a lot of people grow their own gardens in the summer and they get really nice veggies and everything. So go get yourself one of these if you don't have one, because it is super handy. Love it. And then you get some exercise too, right? Look at that. All done. Look how beautiful this is. All nice and even. Beautiful. So we're gonna put it on the same pot again that I'm loving. Right here. So far I have used 2 dishes. This pot and this one. Sausage is there, bacon is there, potato is here. Now we are sauteing the onions with the same bacon drip. And then, so we're gonna let it just sit there for a little bit. Okay, so now we're gonna put some of the chicken stock in it, and we're gonna let it simmer for a little bit. Oh yeah, can hardly wait. There you go. Then after the chicken bouillon, or no, chicken stock, what is it? Chicken broth. We're gonna put a little bit of beef bouillon. I love this one because it's so concentrated. So we're just gonna put like a tablespoon in, and we're just gonna let it simmer for a little bit. And then we'll be ready to add some more spices to it in just a second. Okay, so we are going to put some fennel. I have never used fennel before. It smells really good. So we're gonna put half a tablespoon of that, and we're gonna put some pepper, black pepper. I love black pepper. You know, in Mexico, I don't think I ever used black pepper, but I find it delicious, and it just brings so much flavor into everything. Let's do a tablespoon, and let's put some heavy whipped cream, but you can use half and half, so your choice. So we're gonna put that in there. I should get a little bit first. And here we go. Oh yes. And then you're gonna put some salt to taste. I'm gonna leave it like that for right now, just because it has the chicken broth and all of that. So I'll put the salt at the end. Okay, now we're gonna put it here on my nice fancy pot, because we're making a lot. We're gonna put all the deliciousness stuff here, flavor in bacon. The potatoes, you see the potatoes right there? Then you see the bacon, and you see the sausage. Oh, it's gonna be so good. Can hardly wait. Again. There you go. We're gonna mix it all up. And all we have to put next is our kale. I love kale. Actually, I was introduced to kale by my husband, which is taking the video right now. But he makes the most amazing stew, and he uses kale. So that was the first time I tried it, probably, I don't know, like 8 years ago. And I just fell in love with it. Oh yes, this is gonna be so good. So we have some kale here that we already washed, and we're just gonna chop it. Yeah. I have had some salads with kale, and they are amazing. Oh my gosh, And one time I had this kale and it was like deep fried and it was so freaking good. In a salad, yeah, it was so good. I love kale. There you go. Then we're just gonna pour it all in there. And you know, it's gonna shrink, so you don't have to chop it so too small because it's gonna all shrink just like spinach do, right? Gonna mix it up. And guess what? We are done. Then we're gonna come back when it's ready and done so you guys can try it with us. Okay guys, we have Eli right here with us. This is my little cute boy. And he is gonna be trying the soup right now and see what he thinks. So I put it just on this pot just so I can show it to you. The other one is too big, but we have some more in there. And it smells amazing. The bacon, the potatoes, the red chili salsa queen salsa. And you can put some Parmesan cheese on top too, which we're gonna do in a little bit. But right now, we're gonna try it. Come here, like, let's try this. It's a little bit hot, so let's blow it, not to burn the child. Let's see. Hot. Oh, is it hot? I burned the child. And we have some rolls right here. My mom is here. Zane is here. And we're gonna be having some soup today. I mean, the weather calls for it, right? Was it hot? Yeah. But was it good? Yeah, it was so good. So with some rolls, some cheese, and some amazing soup for this kind of May weather, right? It shouldn't be this cold, but it is. But fortunately, we can make this kind of soups right now, right? Well, I hope you enjoyed the recipe. If you have any comments, just let me know, or any questions. I hope you enjoy it.